Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a coffee Oreo ice cream. This is really popular around my area. I don't know if it's a Rhode Island thing or if it's everywhere. I don't see this a lot in the stores, but I do see it a lot in ice cream shops. It's delicious. The combination of the coffee and the Oreos is it's incredible. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. So let's get started. Oh, and by the way, no turn ice cream machine necessary. This is super easy. So
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh, 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 Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel